In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create billing account for Dialogflow on Google Cloud. This is essential because Dialogflow runs on Google Cloud, and certain features and higher usage levels require a billing account linked to your project. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to avoid common pitfalls. Begin by opening the Google Cloud Console and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top left and click the three horizontal lines, often called the navigation menu or hamburger menu. From that panel, choose Billing. If your project doesn't have a billing account yet, you'll see an option to link one. Go ahead and select Link a Billing Account. Since we're creating a new one, choose Create Billing Account. You'll first be asked to select your country. Pick the country where your organization or primary use resides. This setting affects your currency, taxes, and available payment methods, and it's not easy to change later, so take a moment to make sure it's correct. After you've chosen the country, review the terms, then click Agree and Continue. Next, you'll enter your contact information. Choose whether this is for an individual or a business and fill in your name, address, and any other requested details. Accuracy matters here. Make sure these entries match the information on your payment method and any official documents you might use for verification. You can also rename the billing account to something descriptive so it's easy to recognize alongside other projects, like Dialogflow Production or Dialogflow Sandbox. You'll see a section for tax information. This is optional in many regions, but if you have a VAT, GST, or similar tax ID, add it now by selecting Add Tax Information so your invoices are calculated correctly. If you don't have one, you can skip this and continue. Now add a payment method by clicking Add Payment Method. Enter your card or another supported payment option for your region. Some banks place a temporary authorization hold to verify the card, so don't be alarmed if you see a small pending charge that disappears later. Make sure the billing address on the card matches what you entered earlier to avoid declines. Finally, click Start Free if you're eligible for a free trial. This activates billing and in many regions applies promotional credits while keeping you within the free tier until you exceed it. After creation, your project should be linked automatically. If needed, you can confirm in the billing section. That's it. Your billing account is ready and Dialogflow can now run without interruption.